ceremonies.
Alright, so isang magandang gabi po muli sa ating lahat. Once again, good evening everyone! Isang pagpalang gabi po muli sa ating mga bisita na nandito po tonight. And of course, we would like to request po our guests po, pwede mo na po tayo maupo dito sa harapan. And ang tatayo lamang po is of course ang ating mga, yung tatlo nating pares ng ating abay po na for their entourage later. Alright? So, syempre naman po, before we officially begin our program po ngayong gabi ito, is of course, ay nais ko muna po sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga right now, and I want to check your vibe. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba akong makarinig po muna mula po sa inyong lahat na isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang si Gotcha! Woohoo! Diba? Ganyan dapat tayo kasaya energetic ngayong gabi because of course, this night is a time to celebrate, rejoice, and also be united together because we are gathered here to celebrate a very special occasion for our Iloans for tonight or for today. Alright? So muli, isang magandang gabi sa lahat and welcome aboard here at the small Beginnings Hope Center dito po sa Sipat, Laridel, Bulacan. And once again, we are all gathered here to witness and to also celebrate this time the wedding reception of our Iloans na sila Mr. and Mrs. Vinta. Pero syempre, bago muna natin sila papasukin or ipakilala sa inyo later on, is of course I would like to grab this opportunity po muna upang syempre naman po makapag-start po na po tayo na ating program for ngayong gabi. And we would like to request naman po ang ating mga guests right now to please rise. Magsipagtayo lang po tayong lahat. Sandali lamang po. So of course, we are about to officially begin po with our opening prayer po. So tayo lang po tayong lahat. Imbitahan lang po natin ang ating mga bisita to stand and raise your, tayo po tayo, rise po tayo. And of course, by the way, before we officially begin, our principal sponsors or ating mga ninong at ninang alongside with the parents of our Iloans. So ganito lang pong gagawin. Ipapakilala ko lang po sila sa inyo, isang mabilis lang po. No, then papakilala ko lang po one by one. And pag narinig ko pang pangalan ng ating mga ninong, ninang at mga magulang, kayo kung okay lang po kayo po'y tatayo at kakaway na para po mga sikat na artista sa ating mga bisita para lang po ma-acknowledge tayo. Okay, you may also smile and if you want dance also, pwede naman. Okay? And syempre naman po, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. So officially begin and introduce to you our first set of our principal sponsors. Unahin po muna natin ang ating grupo po ng ating ninong-ninang. So first up, we have here, Ma'am Rochelle De La Cruz. Palakpakan po natin. Ayan. And by the way, before you proceed po sa ating ninong-nina, I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our officiating pastor. Palakpakan naman natin si ating officiating pastor po natin. Ayun pala. Hello sir, good evening. Okay, tuloy-tuloy po tayo with our ninang and ninong tonight. Next naman po natin for our ninong and ninangs is none other than Mr. Arnold Calion. Okay, we also have here Regina V. Mapano. Yeah, ganda gabi ma'am. And of course, next in line is Marcelino Noni Santos. Ganda gabi Ninong. And of course, up next naman po is Ninang Carmen Carpio. Yeah. Followed by, of course, Ma'am Lizelle Mendoza Vinta. Thank you, madam. And of course, for our next pair, and last but not least, we have here Naphtali Martias Gatchalian. And to complete our ninang and ninang tonight is not only that Aurelio C. Robles. So, pakalawa po natin. Ito daw. Ayun, gandang gabi po. Ayan. And of course, syempre naman po, kung naipakilala ko na sa inyong ating mga ninong at ninang, it is also about time for me to introduce to you also the parents of our Iloans. So same routine lang po tayo and wave lang po sa audience. First up po will be the parents of our bride. Palakpakan naman po natin sina Mr. and Mrs. Gemma and Renato Averina. Good evening po. Yan. And of course, hindi magpapakabog, ladies and gentlemen, ang mga magulang naman this time ng ating room. Let's give it up to Mr. Ernesto Vinta and Zenia Vinta. Palakpakan naman po natin. Once again, a round of applause to the principal sponsor po natin and the parents of our newlyweds. Alright. And bago natin mag-proceed po sa ating couple, hayaan nyo lang akong maipakilala na rin sa inyo. Kung tapos na po tayo, we are almost done with the principal sponsors, the parents, Ngayon naman po, magtutungo na tayo sa ating mga abay or our secondary sponsors. Andiyan na po ba sila sa may harap? Yung ating yung tatlong pares ng abay po natin. I'll be calling you by pair na lang po and then lakad lang po. And if you wanna dance on the beat, much better. Alright, ready na po ba sila? Yung ating tatlong abay, yung tatlong pares po, yung magpa-partner. Please be on stage na po dito po sa ating entrance para pag pinakilala po kayo is of course mapipicture na napapalakpakan tayo ng ating mga guests. Okay? So after this po pala, we are about to welcome our couple later on, pero for the meantime, right after the welcoming ng ating secondary sponsors, we are about to proceed na rin po with our dinner para makakain na po muna lahat para mas marami tayo palakas ang energy natin sa pagsalubong natin later po sa ating bagong kasal. Okay? Ready na po sila sa ating course? Ready na po yung pares natin? Ayan. Okay. Sige po, tuloy-tuloy po tayo. First up for our secondary sponsors, lakad na lang po pag nandito. Please join us here on stage. Sa lakad lang po sa ating red carpet. Let's give it up to our first pair, Carla and Erickson. One. Let's go. Thank you so much for tayo. And of course, for our second pair. Okay, for our second pair, for our principal sponsors, secondary sponsors tonight are Geraldine and Jason Pascal. Yes. Okay, and of course, syempre naman po, palakpakan natin muli ang ating secondary sponsor for here. And we would also like to acknowledge Abigail and Owen po dun nasa taas daw. Okay? And maaari na po tayo maupo. Maraming salamat po. And maya-maya lamang po, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to welcome for the grand entrance ang ating bagong kasal. Pero bago muna yan, time check muna po tayo. Once again, time check, it's already 6:43 in the evening and that time check is brought to us by the Boitea event specialist. And tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, para mas marami tayong energy mamaya sa pagsalubong sa kanila, kakain muna po tayo. So here's what we're going to do to all our principal sponsors and pastor and parents. Na-serve na po yung pagkain nila. And our guest po ay pipila po sa catering, right po? Ayan, okay. And then mamaya po meron pa po tayong highlights ng program natin, which is sa pagsalubong sa couple, followed by their traditions, and may photos per table pa po tayo para po may souvenir ating couple. Okay? So, first table na po muna tayo. Kain muna pong lahat. And sa ilang sandali, syempre pag busog ng lahat nakakain na, mas makakargahan tayo ng energy niyan pag salubong sa couple natin. Okay? So, pwede na po tayong pumila, no? Tama po ba? Ayan. Saan po yung course natin? Okay. Sige po. Sila daw po muna. Sige po, pwede na po tayong pumila muna per table, no? And later, we will be having our photo per table. Ninang-ninangs and parents, pastor, pwede na po tayong kumain. Ayan. Sige po, kain po muna tayo para ma-recharge ba? Opo. Para mamaya, no, kapag nagsimula na tayo, or should I say, nag-back-to-one na po tayo sa next part of program natin, is mas marami tayong ibubuhos na energy sa ating couple later. By the way, good evening once again to everybody, and before we proceed po with the second part of our program, please allow me to introduce myself first. Magpapalang gabi muli sa lahat. And my name is host Riza from Boitea Event Specialist, and I'll be your host and a singer at the same time for Mr. and Mrs. Vintas Wedding Reception. Sige po, kain mo na po ang lahat. Later on po, we'll proceed to go all set. So that is why brace yourself, everyone, get ready because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only newlyweds or couple of the night, or should I say, ang ating bagong kasal sa araw na ito. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all get on stage, Mr. and Mrs. Renz and Janice Pinpa! Let's go! Woo! Isang masigaw maghalak-lakad ng Mr. and Mrs. Pinpa! There you have it. And everybody please remain static lamang po. Ayan, no, sandali lang po. Isa na lang po ito. Okay, so please remain standing lang po at bibilang lang po ako ng tatlo. And buwan naman natin silang batiin po, no? So on my count of 3, sabay-sabay lang tayong babati ng ang bagong kasal. Samahan niyo po ako, ilakas po natin para mamatinig nila. Ready na po tayong lahat? Here we go, and pray lang po. And 3, 2, 1, everybody say! Maraming salamat po. And you may now take your seats and please enjoy your dinner. And so, as our couple, ito muna po